Greater Works International Fellowship is aware that unscrupulous persons are using a fake account in the name of Apostle Scott to seek donations purportedly for a charity in Nigeria. This fraudulent activity is in the hands of the relevant authority for a thorough investigation. We hereby assure you, our social media subscribers, that Professor Apostle J. Andrew Scott of Greater Works International Fellowship does not operate a personal Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter account. Please be reminded also that the Church has established authorized means for its online members to apply the biblical principle of giving. Subscribers are therefore encouraged to 1. Refrain from supporting requests for donations from fake pages and personal accounts, and 2. Immediately report any such occurrences or any other suspicious activities observed on our social media site. Do continue to connect with us at gwifja.com, Facebook Live, YouTube, Instagram, Periscope, or Twitter for all our church services. Thank you.